What are you drawing?
Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Wow, I look so beautiful. Where are my arms at? And my leggies? What a good job. Where are you at? You gonna draw yourself now? Oh, you have a much smaller head than I do. What is that? Hair? Oh, I don't know what that means. Ears?
Yeah.
Those are big ears.